First of all, thank you so much to the co-chairs of this global dialogue. This is the work for almost a year, and behind the scenes, as always, more important than what you see afterwards on stage, but you two make it possible. Thank you so much. As we underlined all together this morning, artificial intelligence is reshaping how we live, how we work, and how we engage as human with one another. And as a co-chair of the scientific panel underlined, intelligence always comes with power. Therefore, something with such power as artificial intelligence, with such profound implications for our economies, our social systems, our defense, and therefore our peace and security, but especially in our homes, even in our children's bedroom, can only be meaningful and safely if managed together. And the good thing, the UN, the United Nations, was built for moments like this. Even if the founders of the United Nations knew nothing about AI, they didn't even have a computer back then, 80 years ago, they recognized when drafting the UN Charter in San Francisco that global challenges with economic, social, and humanitarian character can only be solved together. That something with such power as AI needs global platforms in order to prevent that our social media platforms of our children are turned into battlefields. An inclusive AI governance is overdue. And as the independent scientific panel on AI concluded in its preliminary report, which we are discussing also here at the Global Dialogue, concrete next steps to close this gap exist, but each requires sustained investments in member state capacity to shape, evaluate, and deploy AI. And given the complexity of this technological revolution and its rapid pace, no country, no government, no company can nor should do that alone. We need governments, we need technology leaders, we need academia, we need civil society and international organizations working together to shape our digital future together. Therefore, this global dialogue is about giving us that same San Francisco moment, as the co-chair said this morning, of bringing everyone together to address a shared global challenge in the interest of all, leaving no one behind. I thank you.
Thank you very much.